Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys if you are facing that your notebook app unable to generate a slide deck. Here are a bunch of things you have to do. First thing first, make sure your sources already upload successfully, because this is the most common issue, that you upload your source and then it's still loading, and then you generate the deck using the notebook app studio. It wouldn't succeed, obviously, because the sources not yet uploaded successfully. So what you have to do, you just upload it, and then if it takes too long and if it's still loading, like the circle moving here, if it's too long, you just refresh your notebook app like that, as simple as that. This case commonly happen if you upload your sources through your mobile. That's the problem. That's the most common cases. And then the second thing, you make sure your age is verified, because maybe you open your notebook app using your kids account or anything. You just go to your uh, Google account here, manage your Google account, and then make sure you're verifying your age. That's the second solution. And then the third solution, if you are facing that the slide deck wouldn't created on your notebook LM, try to open in a new account. So I believe many of you have more than one Google account. As simple as just open new Chrome profile or anything, and then simply recreate your notebook LM using that account. If you just try a simple notebook LM. Just try, is it the problem you want to locate? Is it the problem your account or your internet or your location, or maybe the server side? So if your new account successfully create the deck, that means the problem is on your account, not on the server side. And then after that, if you already if you already clear that your problem is your account, try to recreate your notebook your notebook, and then re-upload the sources. Try each by each first. You create a new notebook and then upload the maybe two sources or three sources at the first. Try to generate the slide deck, and then on and on. That's make we localize the problem, because sometimes perhaps the sources is the problem. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. Or lastly, if you still facing this kind of problem, the very common thing we have to do if facing problem on the internet is clearing your cache by open your Google Chrome and then click settings, and then you just find the data. Okay, and then you can delete browsing data, delete third-party cookies, and so. That's a very standard procedure if you are facing something problem on the internet. So that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.